this to this. I'm going to show you guys how to replace this airbag cover. Not the entire airbag. Well, we will be removing and putting back the airbag, but with a new cover. I got this truck with this painted on there. Don't like it. I don't want to paint this. I have before in the past and it comes out okay, but I prefer the other Chevy emblem. I'll show you guys here. First step is disconnecting the battery. I'm going to disconnect the positive and the negative. As far as I know, all you gotta do is disconnect the positive, but I'm going to disconnect both. And always, when disconnecting, always disconnect the negative first, then the positive. Step is removing the airbag. I'm gonna use this nail here. That's all I have. Trying to find my screwdriver, but didn't find it. You gotta do is push in, pull back, other side, push in, go back. Here, I've removed it. Gonna disconnect this small little connectors here. When you reconnect, it's pretty simple, color to color. Here's the old airbag. Gonna change to this style. This came off a Trailblazer. This is just the airbag cover. I'm gonna show you how to remove it off the airbag. Today, I only paid, as you can see, $12.42. But you will need ratchet, flathead screwdriver, and a 10mm socket. Remove the 10mm nuts. Where they moves. Look at this here. All right, there's your 10mm nuts. Next step is removing this here. All you gotta do is gently start working your way around real gently. This bracket here is what's gonna come off first. Here's the bracket. Now, to remove this, when you remove it, the airbag's all folded nice and neat. We're gonna try to keep it folded nice and neat. The way you remove this, easy, see? Got tabs there, tabs there, tabs there, and there. I have to put my phone down, guys, so I can finish removing this. This is the way this removes. As you can see, this is the top side. The way I took that off is just the way it came off. See? This is the airbag. Obviously it unfolds. And be gentle, careful with it. Before the back nice and neat. Get the new cover. Just like that, it's gonna go just like that. So I have to put my phone down, guys, again. I don't have no GoPro, so I'm gonna put this in there. Show you what it looks like. There you have it. Airbag's in. Tabs are pressed in. Kind of. You only go one way. As you see, it has a curved side. That's the top. The flat end's the bottom. These here are the sides. Look at the airbag. Has a curve. Flat, flat, flat. All right. Bracket's back on. I'll put the 10mm back on. All right, there you have it. Airbag cover is on. Old airbag cover is off. Go put it back in the truck. Again, color to color. Gonna pop this in there. Gonna reconnect the battery. It should be through. Let's remove this now. Snapped in there. See, steering wheel looks a lot better. All right, let me reconnect the battery. All right, works. Cool.